Guys, I'm back to another
toy opening video.
An awesome one. So this is one of my Christmas gifts that I got. It's the jet.
Yep, it is.
And I got this from Santa, so yeah.
And then she also got a squish lish Shopkins
from Mom and Dad.
So
we're gonna move these.
We're gonna get the squish lish open first.
And me and Mom. Oh. So this is series 1. These are the things we get. For the feel of it, I'm actually not sure what it is. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it. What one would you like it to be, little Mama?
Pancakes.
Pancakes? Okay.
And it's not.
Oh, what it is?
It is Linda layer cake.
It is?
Yeah.
She's not on here.
Oh, cool. It's the one that's not on there. Awesome.
Oh, wow. She actually smells like cake.
Kinda.
Yeah, I'm supposed to get... She's a little bit fast, but she's good. Yeah, she's cute. Okay, so we're going to get this stuff out of the way. We'll see you when it gets open. Okay, guys, so we got everything undone.
Took a lot of effort.
It did. So, yeah, there's that side. And you can see this side. Can we take those out?
No.
Okay, so you're going to take this off.
That's the stairs to lock up.
So, Mommy, take your Shabby doll with her purple suitcase. So, it came with 2 suitcases.
There's the other one.
I can't get through. There we go. So, she got her, so she's going to go on in. Let's put our luggage up here. The over top.
I think my hair may be just a tad bit too big for this airplane. What do you think, Lippy?
I don't think so. Mine's big, but I can fit. So just go ahead and get in. Yeah, maybe we should go in the back. There's more room back there. Okay. Mama.
She doesn't want to stay on the chair. Her hair's too big.
Okay, now we have our conductor. Sorry, guys, I lost the skirt, so we're just gonna have to. I think her hair's too big.
Ooh, that's really cool, though. I love that airplane. And then you can close it back up.
And then our luggage. Yeah! Her hair's going over. And then our luggage is all up. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. Oh, wait.
Welcome to... Thank you for flying Shopkins Air. Please keep your hands inside the cart at all times. Totally different thing there.
Okay, now we're going to turn it down. So, it came with this cool cart that can...
Well, kinda, because of their hair's all over.
You know what?
Here, just take the Shopkins out. So, this can go inside here, and it goes right along. If you look inside, you can see there's little lines right there.
Put this stuff in
And this fits perfectly right on there, and it can go, would you like some lunch?
Yes, please.
So there's 2 exclusives that come in this set, and here's one.
That turn is... Oh, fizzy soda.
That's fizzy soda.
And then the
It's a soda that looks like it's been smashed.
See?
It's kind of leaning that way.
Okay, so, and then let's do the meal.
Okay.
The meal is Lynn Flight Meal.
Lynn Flight Meal.
And then the captain hat that's up there
That's really cute.
is Captain Zoom.
Where? Oh, I didn't know there was another one.
Captain
Here's
Zoom.
Captain Zoom.
Okay, now we're going to get their...
Coming in for a landing!
Now we're going to get their luggage already.
So there's Captain Zoom. He's really cute.
I've got my jewels. If you guys have seen that video, I've got my jewels. And some pajamas and shoes. Let's go ahead and get the pink one ready.
Oh, okay. Oh. This mom is tired. Christmas wore me out.
That's for sure. Okay, her luggage is all ready. less in the way.
There's that.
Maybe their hair will be less in the way. And then we'll try.
Alright.
We'll try these ones because their hair is like
Oops, that broke right off.
What broke?
I can fix it.
Okay. So maybe their hair would be less out of the way.
It popped off.
Oh. We'll be right back as soon as Mom fixes it. Okay, it's
Okay,
fixed.
I fixed it.
So this time we're going to actually make it click so that the luggage doesn't come out. And so we got new Sharpie dolls that maybe the hair will not be everywhere. So this can be the daughter, that can be the mom, this is the daughter, and then this is the captain. So let's put the captain right
Mom
in.
needs to be in back. Keep an eye on the child in the front.
And then they
Oh,
have
the
one.
little ones fit perfectly in there too.
See, yeah? And then
Awesome.
she has a little toy to play with, and then the captain hat can go up here, and then the carry-on thing can go right here. She can have the lunch. What the heck?
So that's a really, really cool airplane.
So we're gonna,
I absolutely love that.
okay, now we're gonna do thank you for.
So,
Welcome to Shopkins Airlines. We will now be taking off. Woo, woo. Destination?
Kelly's room.
No. Destination? Europe. It's the
I
Euro
wish.
Shopkins.
Yeah.
So it came with these cool ones that we can put on. But yeah,
So don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment. And we will
we'll
see
see you guys next
time.
video.
Bye.